The Fokker Dr.I triplane, renowned for its striking three-wing design, took to the skies during World War I and quickly became a symbol of aerial prowess. Piloted by the infamous Red Baron, Manfred von Richthofen, it became a lethal weapon in dogfights. With its exceptional maneuverability, the Dr.I could outturn its opponents, making it a favorite among ace pilots. Though it entered service later in the war, its impact reshaped combat aviation. The sleek design and vibrant tail markings created an enduring legacy that still captures imaginations today. This once dominant fighter not only marked a pivotal chapter in aviation history, but also set the stage for future advancements in aircraft design.